No, that was the secondary seal of the deal.
Yeah.
I was unable to stop on this wet grass.
We're coming up the mountain. Straight across the mountain.
They're gonna bail here.
They're gonna bail here.
One 150 or 150.
150.
270 southbound, coming up to Georgesville. There was a dark gray Chevy Cobalt, kind of beat up. Blacked out on 270. I'm trying to get caught up to it. I think it was involved in Farm 41. There was a description of one. Had a self-storage off of Fisher Road on second shift. Just getting off on Georgesville now. I'll let you know which way it goes. I haven't had a chance to light it up. I had a temp tag in the back window. I didn't get it.
Do they have a tag for that run?
Don't think so. I don't think anyone was able to get the tag, but they are northbound Georgesville, coming up to Parkwick. He's already blown 2 lights. I'm trying to get caught up to there.
Copy, chopper 203, ground truck 203.
Mark 20, anything else from the second shift that will verify that confirmed?
I know that's 15 feet, so I'll be able to beat up Chevy Cobalt, dark gray in color. That's what I saw. Georgesville.
What?
Should be coming up to Old Saul over here.
If it turns towards us, we can try and get sticks.
Heavy gas.
Elevator description was a dark gray or blue Chevy Cobalt with heavily dented.
Hey, that's what I saw. I don't have eyes on it anymore. Last I saw it was northbound Georgesville. I'm not sure if he turned eastbound Sullivan or if he continued northbound.
Did the chopper of business with us?
Chopper went back
A
down.
car just came quickly off of like.
He didn't go east on Sullivan or north on Georgesville.
Shut this down. This car right here just came quickly off of Lake Atlanta. Is that thing flying? This is it.
Eastbound Georgesville. Probably crossover for audit. Whole tail lights moving at a high rate of speed.
9100. We have an eastbound on Solid. They came off of Atlanta. Past the difference now. Haven't even been able to light it up yet.
Blew through the light here at Wilson.
Tell them we're going to run a 60, trying to catch up to it. See if Chopper's over coming up, and let them know we're running a 60, try and catch up to it.
Description of the suspect, there was 2 involved. There was a male and a female. Male white, about 5'2", 35, 45 years old.
Good.
Not sure on clothing, neck tattoo.
Still trying to catch up to it. Do we have chopper available? It's still eastbound.
That's 19 South.
I'm trying to.
I think it's east. It's past Harris.
Middle special we got eyes on it. We're sitting at Richardson. We're behind it. Got back to the back. Doesn't look like maybe 2 on board. Should have been a male white with a neck tattoo and a gray zip up and a female blonde and a teal shirt earlier today. passing cars on the left. Up by Weasel.
Does this fit the description? Or
That's 15 pursuit authorized. Up to 4 cars. Other cars can parallel stop and contact surfer.
I know
Hey, tell me where it's at. I got 6 at 19 south.
it's coming up.
It's gonna be there soon.
If you can get chopper to raise up.
They're trying.
This is it.
I'm not sure if it got the 6.
Southbound Hiltonia.
Speaking traffic pattern.
46, light traffic, 50, 60. We're
60, very light traffic. Just
coming up to Mound.
we're coming up to Mound. Straight across Mound.
They're gonna bail here.
They're gonna bail here.
Get your fucking hands up now! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hey, I can't see his hands. Get your hands up now! Get your hands up! Get your hands up!
Call the fucking negotiator. Get your hands up.
Get your hands up!
Get your hands up. Fuck you. Call the negotiator.
9100, he's reaching for something. Get us another car in here.
Call the negotiator.
Get your hands up!
Fuck you. Kill me.
Cruiser, stop! Get your hands up!
Hands up. Hands up.
Get out of the car. Undo your seatbelt.
I did.
Get your hands up!
Hands up now.
Get your hands up!
Fuck you.
Back off!
Call the fucking dude.
Get your hands up!
Call.
Get your hands
Hey,
up!
call the fucking negotiator.
Get your hands
Call the
up!
negotiator.
9100, yeah.
Get your hands up!
Call the negotiator.
Get your hands up!
Fuck you.
I don't
Call
know what
the
he's reaching
negotiator.
for.
Kill me then. Call the negotiator.
-3.
I said call the negotiator.
hands up.
Fucking kill me.
Get out of the car. Cruiser, stop. Get your fucking hands up now! Get your hands up!
Kill me.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Get her out of the car! Hey, he's reaching for a holster or something. Alright, give me your hands on the steering wheel! Give me your hands on the steering wheel! Hey, Jeff said he saw a holster. I can't... Get your hands up!
There's a holster on his right side.
Fucking kill me. Call the negotiator.
Taser, taser, taser.
Fuck you.
Come on, dude.
I got something fucking taser. Watch crossfire. Watch crossfire. Randall.
Get your hands up!
Put your hands up.
Get them up!
Put your hands up. Put your fucking hands up, man. I tried to just not working.
I'm gonna get my flashlight and bust that window.
Move back to come back to cover.
Hey, Billy, I'm getting my flashlight
Back up.
and I'm busting that window. Driver, step out of the car and face away from me with nothing in your hands. Step out of the car. Hey, can I pin him in? Billy, can I pin him in?
Yeah.
I'm boxing him in.
Casino, can you ask for K9?
Any K9 channel 3, K9 channel 3.
All going right. Watch yourself, Randall. Watch yourself.
Yep.
Watch his right hand. Watch his right
Get that right hand up.
Randall, come back behind the car. Come back here. Back
All right. He takes off.
I got it. He's getting out. Let me see your hands. 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 Move. Running.
Taser, taser, taser. Stop resisting.
Alright.
Stop fucking resisting.
Kill me. Just kill me. Please kill me. I'm not resisting. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
Rolling this. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. All right, get him rolled over. Get him rolled over.
Get out on foot.
I'm not resisting. Kill me.
The holster is empty. I don't know where 33 is.
Rolling this up. Roll him our way.
Why are you doing that? Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Hey, I got it on the belly.
Watch that. I need a couple. Watch the fence.
I got on there for you. Come on.
If you want, I'll drive some.
Just kill me. I got on there for you. No, why are you still?
Somebody get some cups.
Why are you still putting pressure on my face?
I got cups. Secured now.
I got one arm here.
Why are you still putting pressure on my face?
Because you're still resisting.
I'm not
Put
resisting.
your fucking arms behind your back and I'll get off your face.
There you go.
I'm not resisting.
Pull your arm away. Stop resisting.
91, 91.
I can't breathe.
Put down 60.
I can't
Well,
breathe.
give us your arm. We'll get you up. Stop resisting.
I can't breathe.
Give us your arm.
Okay,
Give us
your
your arm.
address is found in the
Cuff up.
I am.
And then we'll get off of you.
It's probably
I
fine.
can't breathe.
He's coming.
Cuff.
I can't breathe.
My glasses are behind you.
It's all right.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
That's the year's one for now. They're taking a session in custody, 1987 bond.
I'm having trouble breathing.
Holster.
All right, you ready to set them up? Yeah.
Have him down first. Have him down first.
Copy.
Holster's empty.
No,
You got any weapons?
he got out of the car.
Do you have any weapons?
I'm assuming it's
Where's
a car
it?
somewhere.
Why is this holster empty? Where's the gun at?
Whose taser is this?
I got a couple bodies.
502, you still need to check the
I
watcher.
have 32.
He thinks it's in the car.
I'm not sure.
Are they good without trumping out?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Hey, I'm having some trouble breathing.
You gotta make sure you don't have any weapons on you.
Then we'll get you up.